Here is how the car shipping process works, step by step with Peace Global Logistics. Step 1. Auction access. A PGL creates an auction account for the customer on platforms like Copart, IAAI, Manheim, or ADESA. Once active, the customer can browse, bid, and purchase vehicles directly. Step 2. Winning the car. After the bid is successful, PGL receives the release documents and arranges pickup. The vehicle is towed to the nearest PGL warehouse. Step 3. Warehouse arrival and inspection. At the warehouse, the car is inspected, photographed, and prepared for loading. If needed, multiple vehicles are consolidated into one container. Step 4. Container loading. Cars are securely loaded into the container with proper balance and protection for safe shipping. Step 5. Shipping. The shipment is booked directly with the shipping line. Once confirmed, the bill of lading and tracking information are shared. Step 6. Customs clearance. At the destination, PGL or the customer's agent handles customs clearance using all required documents. Step 7. Final delivery. After clearance, the vehicle is delivered or made ready for pickup. This is the complete process from auction to final delivery. Visit peacegl.com for more.